Is it really possible there's a super simple yoga challenge you can do from the comfort of your own home to shape and tone your body, de-stress and relieve tension, manage your weight, gain flexibility, boost immunity, and overall just be a happier, healthier, more vibrant person? The answer is yes. Hi, I'm Zoe Bray-Cotton, certified yoga instructor, personal trainer, and female body transformation specialist. And in today's short presentation, you'll discover an exciting little yoga challenge you can try designed to help boost metabolism, tighten and flatten your stomach, all while shaping and toning your whole body and delivering the all-coveted yoga booty. This super easy-to-follow yoga challenge can help you get into great shape while allowing you to finally experience the incredible feel-good energy, stress-relieving, and health benefits true yoga can deliver. And one of the best parts of all is that you can do it right from the comfort of your own home, whenever you feel like you could use an emotional, mental, or metabolic boost to your day. Just like the thousands of women who are now taking part in this fun and exciting little yoga challenge after watching this video. And I must say, I'm incredibly excited to walk you through exactly how to use this little yoga secret for yourself in the next few minutes. However, in order for it to work, you're going to have to avoid
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,
3 common yoga mistakes women are all too often and unknowingly making that can be directly responsible for injury, stress, and even weight gain in female problem areas. And although you may find these mistakes completely shocking when you see what they are, I feel utterly compelled to share them with you because I see way too many women falling victim to them every single day. You see, I specialize in helping women get the very best out of what yoga has to offer, and I'm hoping that making this short video will mean that moving forward, you won't become yet another victim to any of these results-sabotaging mistakes. And if that's the case, it's all been worthwhile and rewarding for me. The good news is just avoiding these 3 common mistakes and following my super simple little yoga tip I'll be sharing will have you immediately on your way to achieving positive, healthy, and noticeable body toning results. My name's Zoe Bray-Cotton, and while I'm an internationally certified yoga instructor and personal trainer, I wasn't always helping women across the world reshape their bodies, increase their metabolism, and experience all the benefits yoga has to offer. In fact, for many years, I was struggling with my own self-image and personal happiness until I learned how to avoid the 3 big yoga mistakes that you're about to see. Learning the powerful tips we're about to dive into was by far the most valuable part of my yoga journey and has been a cornerstone for helping so many other women that have watched this video, which is why I urge you to pay close attention to what I'm about to share. And don't worry, if you're one of the millions of women that have fallen victim to any of these common mistakes, you're definitely not alone. And the good news is they're easily avoidable. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Mistake number 1, relying solely on generic yoga classes. Your average yoga class at the local gym or yoga studio has to accommodate everybody to stay in business. That means that every class is a mix of men and women, young and old, at all different levels of experience and physical capabilities. So a young woman who's been practicing yoga for years is doing the same class designed for a 65-year-old man who's there for the first time. That's like a college graduate taking a 3rd grade math class and expecting to see progress. And the opposite is also true. Because yoga classes have to cater to the average, many people are in over their heads and doing poses that they aren't even close to ready for. This not only leads to a lack of results and frustration, but it can be dangerous and lead to painful injuries, which studies show yoga has become all too well known for. And because of yoga's booming popularity, many yoga teachers these days become instructors with very minimal training or qualifications, which is a recipe for such disasters. Call me crazy, but I doubt you want to be wasting your valuable time or risking painful injury if you don't have to. The truth is, the best way for you to see noticeable and consistent results from yoga is by performing sequences and poses that are uniquely tailored to you as a woman, your flexibility, your physical capabilities, your experience, and your goals. And you'll see my super simple tip for accomplishing this in just a few moments. Now, mistake number 2, thinking that all yoga classes will de-stress and relax you. Unfortunately, this couldn't be further from the truth. Before we dive into this, let me quickly talk to you about a very important hormone in your body that you may or may not have heard of: cortisol. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone, and to put it simply, when you experience stress, your cortisol levels go up, and when you're fully relaxed, your cortisol levels go down. Why is this important? Well, as cortisol rises, your body tends to store fat in problem areas, like the hips, butt, and thighs. That's right, the more stressed out you are, the more likely you are to gain weight in these specific areas. But can't yoga help reduce stress? Absolutely. The problem isn't yoga itself, but everything that goes along with going to most yoga classes.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,